Exactly. Yeah. I think a lot of people struggle, especially in the beginning, because they try to get a client or they're going into a brand new niche and they're just desperate to work with anyone, be it if they're doing something for free or they just try to
Yeah, I
make
mean,
something happen with someone that might not be able to work together, like either personality wise or something like that.
yeah,
Yeah.
no, yeah, absolutely. You know, for me, I mean, I've built up a huge like authority in this area. I mean, I have my Facebook group. I started running ads for an opt-in, running ads towards like stuff. You know what I mean? So it's like for me, getting clients now isn't that difficult. If I just post, hey guys, like I have spots open this month. Who wants to join? And then just people just message me, you know. So I
Exactly.
really don't have to chase people anymore. You know, that's the best part. It's just people
Yep.
just come to me now. You know, and honestly, I think the easiest thing is just for people to like really just focus on building up their brands. I think that's really it. You know, I think a lot of people just struggle in this industry just because the fact that they have to like go and sell themselves. But for me, I have people selling themselves to me, so it's completely different. You know, people try to sell themselves to me to get me to work with them. You know, so it's
Yeah.
like, yeah,
Yeah, that was the biggest thing that I learned from going to the Meridian Mastermind because
yeah,
with Imagaji, because I came to him, and it's kind of like
right,
that's how you're able to perceive yourself inside of the industry is when people start coming
yeah.
to you. It's like that's why I've started to automate like my YouTube page, my LinkedIn, my Instagram. I have more people coming to me now instead of me trying to go out and try to land different
Yeah, you
clients or
know,
work with them.
once you make a beautiful garden, dude, like the butterflies are gonna come, you know?
Oh, I love that
It's
quote.
pretty
That's
much,
absolutely
yeah.
amazing. It's very true, man. It's very true.